Alright, good morning. It's 4th of July. It's about 11 o'clock. And look at those nice fresh doors. Actually, those are new door skins I have. Here's my original door, which I've already taken off the door skin. I forgot to film what I did, but I do have the driver's side that I have to work on. And I'll just film what I am going to do. And what I found the easiest is basically just to take a grinder to this edge, and you'll see a seam come up, so it pretty much tells you when you need to stop. Do that all the way around, and that pretty much releases the whole skin except for up here. And then I'll put a cutting wheel on and I'll just slice along this edge here, and it's off. The only other, sorry, it's so close I can't zoom out any farther. At least I don't think I can. Nope. Alright. The only other thing I'll have to do is, and let's see if I can get to it, is cut the door strap that holds it on, and I'll slice that off. Now, the door skins are very heavy duty, but they look like this is his first, these are 73 doors, original. And you'll see the difference in the door skin is this area right here. The door skins, even though they said they're made for a 72 to 74, they're actually look like they are made for like a 68 to a 71. And give me 1 second here. I'll bring one over. Alright, sorry about that. But you can see the difference in the strip that runs across the top. That is made for, again, I believe a 68 to a 71 felt strip attachment area. So when I get to the point of attaching these door skins onto my door, I'm going to have to either cut that off, just basically I'm going to have to come up with a way to attach it across the top of the door. But I'm not there yet, so I'm just going to go ahead and film removing this door, and we'll go from there. Alright, hold on. Alright, what I want to show you is, as you're grinding, hopefully you can see that seam start showing up. That's when you pretty much need to stop. Pretty much grind that all the way around, and it'll release itself. Just show you again as I go around. That's where we at here. You can see how it releases itself. Now on the right hand door up in this area, it looks like someone, or they did use a little bit of glue in this area, but the rest of the door they did not. So anyway, you can see it goes pretty quick. Alright, well, this one, oops, I don't have a long enough cord, but on this other far edge, whoever had done some metal work, they look like they build up some weld along there. So I'm going to have to play with that. I'm going to have to grind it a little deeper or try to cut that edge. But it's pretty much popped along there all the way around. So let me play with that over there and I'll be right back. Okay. This was the area I was talking about. There was a buildup of, looks like weld. Anyway, I ended up just grinding really shallow to this top edge and breaking through, and then using a cutter to get the rest away in. But you can see the door skin's loose all the way up, and then this is where I will take a cutter. I don't want to go really cut through too deep because there are some tabs behind here, but I'll just cut it and then kind of fold it up and break it. Alright. Okay, the one other thing that holds the skin on is this bracket here. So I'm just going to cut right at the where it meets the door. And then on the door skin I can always tack in a flange and then weld that back in. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut that. Let me zoom out. Alright. Now I'm going to go ahead and just slice right along there. And I try to stay parallel to this face. I might even cut a little bit. And there you go. see there's a couple little tabs, 3 tabs, 4 tabs right here that are right at that edge. That's why I don't want to go too deep. Not sure whether it really would mean anything to cut them off, because the 72 to 74 weather strip has plastic clips that kind of actually slide by them, that they don't even interact with them. But anyway, so there it is. Comes off easy. The next video I show you is probably going to have to do with what I'm going to have to alter to get that door skin, this top rail, to work together. I don't want to change it to that style. I want to keep the 73 style. So I may have to alter the door skin or cut that tab off and then possibly have to weld the new skin along here. I will have to take this strip off at some point though. Since it's double thick, I don't want to make it triple thick. So that's it. Have a good 4th. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and take off the remaining flange that was on the door skin.